Welcome back to No Onions Allowed, my keto kitchen. And today we're going to make a garlic chicken spinach pizza. I've made pizza before, but this pizza is a crust, and this crust is not a fathead crust. This crust is actually made out of chicken. So you need to pick you up a can of chicken, white premium chicken chunks, chicken breast. Costco has a very good brand, Kirkland brand. I love that brand. I just didn't have time to go to Costco to get one. Okay, so this can has 80 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 carb, 0 fiber, 0 sugar. Alright, so what you need to do first, you'll take it, you need to put it in a bowl, dump it in a bowl like I did, get all those remnants out, and then try to break it up as fine as you can with the fork. You will need about an ounce of Parmesan cheese. Oh, wait a minute, I'm jumping the gun here. So what we'll do, we'll take this out and we'll spread it onto our cookie sheet. Spread this out flat, okay, because what we need to do is put this in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And I have my oven preset already so that we can dry this out, okay? We want it dried out. Alright, so we're going to get this put in the oven 350 for 10 minutes, and then we'll be right back. It's been 10 minutes and we have our chicken out of the oven. What we'll do now is we'll transfer this chicken back to the bowl that we had it in. Transferred it back to the bowl. What we do is add about an ounce of Parmesan cheese, shredded. We'll get our seasoning in. I am going to use, put in some Italian seasoning. You can use whatever kind of seasoning you like. I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. Put in some garlic powder, since this is a garlic chicken pizza that I'm creating here. A little pepper, and a little pink salt. And we're going to crack in 1 egg. And mix. It smells so good, gosh. It smells like I don't know, those Italian seasonings really make it smell wonderful. So once we get this mixed well, dump it out onto our mat, our silicone mat. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll take a piece of parchment paper. And you can use your hands if you want to roll it out into the shape that you want. I am going to use a rolling pin because I just like it better. Just take the rolling pin and roll it out. If you want get it in the shape you want. Just pat it to the shape you want. Okay guys, so now that we have our crust formed in the shape that we need, we're going to place it back in the oven at 500 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. But you want to watch it and just make sure, because different ovens vary differently, depends on your high elevation and whatnot. So just watch it very carefully. Okay, welcome back. And here we're going to stove top on medium high. I'm gonna melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Add 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan. All mixed in. 2 tablespoons of the canned Parmesan. Seasoning and some pepper. And some garlic salt. Stir it in. Starting to thicken. Turn my fire down to low. Alright, and then I'll remove it from the heat. There we go. Remove it from the heat. Alright, welcome back. So what we're going to do now is add our sauce to our crust. Spinach. I'm just going to add a handful of spinach. Here. Salt. Top this with mozzarella. Chicken. I probably won't use it all, maybe half. Chicken in every bite, so I'm strategically placing the chicken. Here we go. Still got 1/4 of the cup still left, so I'm gonna use it all. Some more mozzarella on top. Okay, then I'm going to top it off with some more of the Italian seasoning. Okay, so I had some leftover bacon that I crumbled up over the top. Just added flavor there. So we're going to stick this back in the oven at 500 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. You just want to keep an eye on it till everything's nice and melted. You don't want it to burn. You know, it depends on your oven type, but let's start with 7 minutes and see how that goes. We'll be right back. Okay, while the pizza's in the oven, I thought I'd go over all the ingredients that I used. Okay, I used 1 can of chicken. This is the chicken breast that I bought. I used 2/3 of a cup. Garlic salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Parmesan, heavy whipping cream, and shredded Parmesan. These were the total ingredients that I used, plus I used some butter. And I used a handful of spinach and 1 egg. But I'll put all the ingredients down below for you so you can have. But I just wanted to show because some people need a visual. So there you go. Be right back. All right, fresh out of the oven. Oh, wee, that looks good. I'm gonna let it cool off. Gonna slice it up and give it a taste test. Be right back. All right, it has cooled off. And when I say this is thebomb.com, it is. I'm gonna try to flip this over so you can see the crust. Can you see the crust? This is so damn good, y'all. Make you some. I'm telling you. I am telling you, make you some. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the red button and subscribe. And press that like button if you like this video, and share it with a family member or a friend. In the meantime, peace, love, and soul.